The cowardly, I will read about the cowardly bat. Long ago, the birds and the bees had a quarrel. The birds gathered at the owl's home in the forest. "Let us make war on the bees," said the owl. "Yes, let us make war," replied the other birds. "You shall be our captain." Then the owl led and followed as the birds to tree where the bat was hanging. He said, "Come with us." But the bat answered, "Don't you see that I'm a beast?" Then some bees, knocking behind the tree, said to him, "Won't you come with us?" The bat answered, "Don't you see that I'm a bird?" However, the bat followed the bees for birds by instance. Then he hung himself in a tree and watched the battle. When he thought that the birds were soon to win, he flew to join them. "I have come to help you," he said. "We don't want you," said the birds. "You're a beast." "Oh no, I am a bird," replied the bat. "Look at my wings." Later, when the bees seemed to be gaming, he went to join them. Later, "I have come to help you," he said. "What shall I do?" "Go away," said the bees. "We don't want your help. You are a bird." "Oh no, I am not a bird," replied the bat. "Look at my feet and my sharp teeth." At last, the birds and the bees made a peace treaty. They will not fight anymore. The bat went to the birds and said, "I wish to be a friend with you." But the birds cried out in anger, "Go away, you are not a bird." He went to the bees. "Please let me be your friend," he said. But the bees shouted him, "Go away! You're not a beast." "Ah," said the bat, "I see that must be follow that neither bird has no friends." Science that day, the bat was hidden in the dark places. He flies only at night when both bees and birds are sleeping.